In this video, I'll show you how to upload a file to Chatgpt. First, sign into your Chatgpt account and start a new conversation or open an existing chat. Next, look for the plus or attach button next to the message box. Click it and choose the file you want to upload from your computer or mobile device. You can upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, presentations, images, and several other supported file types. Now, wait a few moments while the file uploads. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in the conversation. You can then type a prompt asking Chatgpt what you'd like to do with it, such as summarize the document, explain the contents, answer questions, extract key information, or help you edit the file. After that, send your message, and Chatgpt will analyze the uploaded file and generate a response based on your request. You can continue asking follow-up questions about the same file without uploading it again during the conversation. Finally, if you need to work with another document, simply upload a new file and continue chatting. Chatgpt can help you analyze multiple files in the same conversation, depending on your account limits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload a file to Chatgpt. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.